Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to block ads in your browser without installing any extension. Let's begin step by step. Open your browser, for example Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Now click on Settings. On the left side panel, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on the last item, that is, Site Settings. Scroll down and find pop-ups and redirects. Click on it and make sure it is set to blocked. Go back and now click on Additional Content Settings. Scroll down and select Intrusive Ads. Set this option to ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. This will reduce unwanted ads significantly. Although it will not block all ads, it helps block harmful and annoying ones. And that's how you block ads without installing extensions.